Hey guys! Welcome to another episode of Universe! Sa mga bago po makakapanood ng videos ko, hello! I am Yuli Rubio, isa po kong OFW dito sa Milan, Italy. And I am also doing digital business as my side hustle. And dito po sa channel ko, isasama ko po kayo sa aming journey on our road to early retirement. So, yan po ang madalas kong ichika dito sa channel ko. And for today's episode, ang gusto ko pong ichika sa inyo is how to have more money this coming new year. So, very timely lang, di ba? Kasi magto-2024 na. And the more money, of course, the earlier tayong pwedeng makapag-retire. So, keep on watching. Number 1 on my list is to clear and clean your space. So, isipin mo, hello girl, anong connection ng paglilinis ko ng bahay ko sa pagkakaroon ng maraming pera this coming new year? Malaki po ang connection niyan. You know why? Because money is energy. Siguro ang karamihan hindi talaga naiisip na connected yung pagkakaroon ng clear and clean space sa pag-attract ng mas marami pang pera. And yes, it is so connected guys because since money is energy, kapag ang bahay mo is magulo or makalat, mahihirapan din pumasok yung energy or flow ng pera. Unlike kapag maaliwalas or malinis yung bahay mo. And also, kapag meron ka mga old stuffs na hindi mo na ginagamit, like yung mga damit or mga sapatos, donate it somewhere else para mapakinabangan pa ng ibang tao. Or yung mga perfume bottles na nasa banyo mo lang, na wala naman ng laman, pero gusto mo lang i-display. Girl, tapon mo na yan. Create a new space for new energy to enter in your home para mas mabilis ang pagpasok ng flow ng money sa bahay nyo. Number 2, bayaran mo na lahat ng utang mo bago matapos ang taon na ito. If you have that extra money to do that, nabayaran yung mga utang mo sa kapitbahay mo, sa nanay mo, sa kaibigan mo, kahit 1,000 pesos lang yan, kahit 500 pesos lang yan, do that. Just like yung old stuffs mo na nakatenga lang dyan na hindi naman napapakinabangan, old energy rin yung utang. So, in that way, kapag nagbabayad ka ng mga utang mo before this year ends, hindi mo nabitbit yung burden na yon on the next year. So, mas magaan na yung pagpasok mo ng bagong taon, diba? And also, pagbayad ka kahit konti lang yan. Because, especially if that utang has interest, diba? So, you're saving up that interest and you'll have more money in this coming new year. And the third thing na gusto kong i-share sa inyo on how to have more money this coming 2024 is to create another source of income. Napaka-basic lang po, diba? Paano ka magkakaroon ng mas maraming pera? Magdagdag ka ng pwede mong pagkakitaan. Huwag tayo masettle sa isang source of income lang because for all we know, yung isang trabaho natin na yan talagang hindi kakasya, pambayad lang yan ng bills. So maghanap tayo ng pwede natin pagkakitaan, bagong pagkakitaan, bagong business, bagong negosyo this coming 2024 para magkaroon din tayo ng mas maraming pera. And if you have that 9-to-5 job na sa tingin mo wala ka ng time to add another source of income or another business, don't worry. Ang dami na pong mga businesses ngayon online and we are on the digital age. Grabe guys, sobrang dami ng pagpipilian. And ang napili po namin, of course, yung digital business. Meron po akong 9-to-5 job. Meron po kaming fixed job dito sa Milano. And digital business is helping us, is working on our background kahit na nagtatrabaho po ako from 9 to 5. So, habang nagtatrabaho ako na pambayad ng bills, yung digital business naman namin ang nagtatrabaho on our background for our early retirement. Yes, so maghanap po kayo ng business that will suit you, your schedule, and your lifestyle. So, ang napili namin is digital business. So, yun, maghanap po kayo ng another source of income before this year ends. Number 4 and the last one, guys, is to create an emergency fund. This is so underestimated and a lot of people are giving less importance to this, itong emergency fund. Pero grabe guys, kapag meron na kayong emergency fund, meron na kayong buffer, you'll have more peace of mind, you'll have more security. Dahil alam mo, anytime kung ano man ang mangyari, mga unexpected things sa buhay natin na pwede mangyari, emergencies, meron tayong pwedeng tukutin. And alam nyo guys, nung nalaman ko yung sobrang importance ng pagkakaroon ng emergency fund, hindi na ako naging gastadora. And natuto na talaga akong mag-ipon at mag-save dahil alam ko meron na akong pinaglalaanan. So connected yung tip number 3 ko and tip number 4. So once you start having an extra income dahil nagsimula na kayo ng negosyo, yung mga kinikita nyo po sa negosyo, huwag nyo gagastusin and isave nyo siya for your emergency fund. Kasi sobra kapag nagkaroon na kayo ng emergency fund, in this way, you'll have more money, guys. Believe me, dahil dito talaga ako natutong mag-ipon ng pera. And the moment we'll have that extra money na kikitain natin for this coming new year, huwag nating tataasan yung lifestyle natin. Make sure na kung ano man yung lifestyle mo before, na ganun lang ang kinikita mo, and then you'll start earning this much, huwag nyong itataas yung lifestyle nyo. Instead, kung ano man ang magiging extra money na kikitain nyo, set that aside for your future, set that aside for your early retirement. Pero syempre, di ba, aspiring to have more money, dreaming of more money is not easy. Hindi talaga madali yan. It requires a lot of hard work, a lot of sacrifices, and a lot of discipline. But if you have that dream of yours, that goal of yours na gusto mo talagang matupad sa buhay mo, yung pinapangarap mo na yon, walang imposible. So naniniwala ako sa iyo, I'm sure kaya mong gawin yan and kaya mong maabot yung mga pangarap mo na yon. So that's it for today's episode, guys. I hope meron po akong naibigay ng konting inspiration sa inyo, and I also hope na meron akong naibigay na value sa mga ichinika ko sa inyo ngayong episode on how to have more money this coming new year. I'm wishing everyone an abundant, prosperous, and more money this coming 2024, and I'm sending love and light today and always. Namaste!